I want to talk about the OpenSearch Foundation. Give us an update. What's going on with that?
Yeah. So to give you a quick background, several years ago, uh, Elasticsearch was a open source project, and the company behind Elasticsearch decided to change the license. And uh, we saw that, and we saw that Elasticsearch was really some foundational technology that everybody was using, including many of our customers. And we felt an obligation to preserve that open source status because many people found that useful, and also just transparently, it's a big part of our business. And so um, we created a hard fork uh, of Elasticsearch, called that OpenSearch, and we spent the first couple of years really trying to build up all of the infrastructure needed to release and test and get those processes in place to actually build a successful project. Uh, on top of that, we were working to build a community. And, on day one, the people who showed up were primarily from AWS. There were some other folks who were interested, but relatively small in numbers when we first created the fork. And so we spent a couple of years trying to create a critical mass of community, and with the end goal that we would move this to a foundation. And so we made good on that trajectory last year, and announced that we were moving OpenSearch to the Linux Foundation. And so OpenSearch is now a standalone project at the Linux Foundation, and has the independent governance that comes with being at the OpenSearch Foundation. And we're really excited about the growth that that project is seeing. I talked a little bit about OpenSearch needing that critical mass of community, and I think that that's vital for the success of any open source project. Is that people have to care enough and want to contribute enough that they're willing to actually go do work. And so that community has grown. We're really excited about that. And as a matter of fact, there's OpenSearch Con coming up in just a couple of months um, in Amsterdam, and the Linux Foundation is producing that conference for us as well.